Hello, good evening. Today I am explaining about objective type of bits. Today I will start trigonometry. Trigonometry objective type of bits. Trigonometry. This objective type of bits is useful to all competitive exams, that is MCET, IIT, and all BSET, all other competitive exams only. Trigonometry. First bit, root x plus 1 by root x equals to root x plus 1 by root x is equal to 2 cos theta. Then x power 6 plus x power minus 6 equals to, that is first bit. Please see that options. First option 2 cos 12 theta. Second option 2 cos 8 theta. Third option 2 cos 6 theta. Fourth option 2 cos 9 theta. Here what is given? First of all, you taken that root x plus 1 by root x equals to 2 cos theta is given. After that, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, because here roots is there. That's why taken squaring on both sides, because we want also x power 6. After that, squaring on both sides is a plus b whole square formula, left side. That is x plus 1 by x plus 2 times of x into root x into, 2 times of root x into 1 by root x equal to, right side also squaring 4 cos square theta. Here root x cancel, x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equals to 4 cos square theta. X plus 1 by x equals to 4 cos square theta minus 2. X plus 1 by x equal to 4 cos square theta minus 2. After that, here right side 2 common, 2 cos square theta minus 1. What about these 2 cos square theta minus 1? That is cos 2 theta. X plus 1 by x equals to 2 cos 2 theta. Okay. After that, once again here squaring on both sides. Once again squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x equals to 2 cos 2 theta. Once again squaring on both sides. Then x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 4 cos square 2 theta. 4 cos square 2 theta. After that, a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 I have taken directly, because x 1 by x cancel. That is 4 cos square 2 theta. Okay. After that, the plus 2 goes to right side. Then x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 4 cos square 2 theta minus 2. Here 2 common, 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Once again same formula, 2 cos square theta minus 1 means cos 2 theta. What about 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1? That is cos 4 theta. That is x square plus 1 by x square. But we want x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. That's why you taken here cubing on both sides. Because x power 6 plus 1 by x, because square is there, compulsory cubing on both sides, getting x power 6 or not? Yes, x power 6. X square plus 1 by x square whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula. A plus b whole cube means a cube means x power 6 plus b cube means 1 by x power 6 plus 3ab, 3x square into 1 by x square into a plus b, x square plus 1 by x square. Formula you know all of them. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equals to 2 cos 4 theta whole cube, 8 cos cube 4 theta. 8 cos cube 4 theta. After that, x square 1 by x square cancel. Here x square plus 1 by x square already we got. How much x square plus 1 by x square? That is 2 cos 4 theta. Here substitute. X power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 3 is there. Here 2 cos 4 theta after substitution. We are getting 6 cos 4 theta is equals to 8 cos cube 4 theta. Understood? Here already 3 is there. 3 into 2 cos 4 theta, 6 cos 4 theta. This 6 cos 4 theta goes to right side. X power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equals to 8 cos cube 4 theta minus 6 cos 4 theta. Here 2 common, then 4 cos cube 4 theta minus 3 cos 4 theta. 4 cos cube theta 4 theta minus 3 cos 4 theta. What about this? This is direct formula. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Cos 3 theta. Means here theta replace how much? 4 theta. That's why cos 3 into 4 theta. That equals to 2 cos 12 theta. Answer is 2 cos 12 theta. That is first option. Okay. Verify. Any doubt is there? Please comment. Okay. This is problem. Total simplification. First roots is there. You take it squaring on both sides. After that x plus 1 by x equal to 2 cos 2 theta. And again squaring on both sides. So you are getting x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2 cos 4 theta. Here x power 6 we want. That's why you take it cubing on both sides. You're getting x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equal to 8 cos cube 4 theta minus 6 cos 4 theta. Here 2 common. 4 cos cube 4 theta minus 3 cos 4 theta is direct formula. Cos 3 theta formula. But here theta replace 4 theta is there. That's why cos 3 into 4 theta. 2 cos 12 theta. Answer. Next problem. Next problem. Second problem. If A equals to sin theta into modulus of sin theta, B equals to cos theta into modulus of cos theta, and 99 pi by 2 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to 100 pi by 2. Then then 4 options is given. First option A plus B equal to 1. Second option B minus A equal to 1. Third option B minus A equal to minus 1. Fourth option A plus B equal to minus 1. First of all, given values, given A equals to sin theta into modulus of sin theta, B equals to cos theta into modulus of cos theta. Here what is given interval? Given interval 99 pi by 2 less than or equals to theta less than or equal to 100 pi by 2. Here we simplify the interval 99 pi by 2, it is nothing but 3 pi by 2 plus theta. You can simplify, you are getting 270 plus something only. That only I am taking 270 plus theta. It is nothing but 100 pi by 2, nothing but 50 pi. 50 pi nothing but 25 into 2 pi. Means it is 360 minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi minus theta. Which quadrant? Here theta belongs to fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, which ratios is given? Given problem sin theta and cos theta. In fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative. Cos theta is positive. What is given? AB values is taken now. A equals to sin theta into modulus of sin theta. Here in fourth quadrant, sin theta is negative only. We taken sin theta into sin theta is negative only. That's why we taken minus sin theta. Sin theta into minus sin theta, here minus sin square theta. Now B equals to cos theta into modulus of cos theta. Here in fourth quadrant cos theta is positive. That's why you taken modulus of cos theta replace plus cos theta. That equals to cos square theta. Now B minus A equals to, that equals to cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that value equals to 1. Second option. That is second problem. Next, third problem. Third one. If cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 plus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 by cos of theta 3 plus theta 4 equal to 0, then cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 into cot theta 3 into cot theta 4 equal to how much? First option 1, second option -1, third option 0, fourth option 1 by 2. Please see that. Here, trigonometry ratio, common ratio is given. What is that ratio? Cos theta. But in one form is given, numerator by denominator. Means here fractions form is there, one common ratio is there, compulsory apply one condition in trigonometry. That is nothing but componendo dividendo rule. First you convert into like that. First given condition convert into like that, cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 is equals to, plus value goes to right side, that is minus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 by cos of theta 3 plus theta 4. Okay. Now like that condition only na. Which condition? Componendo dividendo means like this. A by B equal to C by D form is there. That rule is called componendo dividendo. That is nothing but numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator in both sides. You apply this condition. After simplification, you getting like we want which condition? That condition only. Cot theta 1, cot theta 2, cot theta 3, cot theta 4 value we got. Getting. After simplification, you getting like this. First you simplify. Apply this rule. Apply this rule. A plus B. What is A? Cos of theta 1 plus theta 2. What is B? Cos of theta 1 minus theta 2. What is C? Cos of theta 3 minus theta 4. What is D? Cos theta 3 plus theta 4. C equal to minus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4. After that, apply that rule. A plus B. Cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 by cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 minus cos of theta 1 minus theta 2 is equals to, same rule here apply, minus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 plus cos of theta 3 plus theta 4 by minus cos of theta 3 minus theta 4 minus cos of theta 3 plus theta 4. Okay. After the direct formula in trigonometry, cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Numerator, cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B form, that is 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2. By denominator, cos A plus B minus cos A minus B, minus 2 sin A sin B, minus 2 sin theta 1 sin theta 2 is equals to, here also same, cos of A plus B minus cos A minus B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of minus cos of A minus B, cos A plus B nana, cos of theta 3 plus theta 4, cos A plus B, minus cos of A minus B, that is minus 2 sin theta 3 sin theta 4 by, here minus common, minus of cos A plus B plus minus common, 2 minus is there na, minus common cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos theta 3 cos theta 4. Now here which terms are cancelled? 2 cancel, here 2 cancel, here minus cancel. Now cos theta 1 by sin theta 1, cot theta 1. Cos theta 2 by sin theta 2, cot theta 2. Cos theta 2 by sin theta 2, that is cot theta 2. Cot theta 1 into minus is there na? Here minus is there. Minus cot theta 1 into cot theta 2 is equals to sin theta 3 by cos theta 3, tan theta 3. Sin theta 4 by cos theta 4, tan theta 4. Now the tan theta 3, tan theta 4 goes to left side, then minus cot theta 1, cot theta 2, 1 by tan theta 3 nothing but, 1 by tan theta 3 nothing but cot theta 3, 1 by tan theta 4 nothing but cot theta 4 is equal to 1. This tan theta 3, tan theta 4 come to left side, that become a 1 by tan theta 3. That is nothing but cot theta 3. The tan theta 4 also come to left side, that is 1 by tan theta 4, that is nothing but cot theta 4. This minus value multiply both side, multiply minus, both side multiply minus, then we getting answer cot theta 1, cot theta 2, cot theta 3, cot theta 4 equals to minus 1. That is second option. Okay, clear? Now, fourth way. Now, fourth way. alpha is root of equation, alpha is root of equation 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 equals to 0. Here interval pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi. Then sin 2 alpha equal to, first option minus 3 by 5, second option minus 24 by 25, third option minus 4 by 25, fourth option 13 by 25. Please see that. Here alpha is root of the equation. Here one quadratic equation is given in terms of trigonometric ratio cos theta. What is given equation? Given 25 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta minus 12 equal to 0. Here what is given? Alpha is root of equation. Then alpha equal to, what is the formula? Quadratic equations, one formula is there, find out roots. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. A equal to how much? 25. B equal to 5. C equal to minus 12. Apply that. Minus b minus 5 plus or minus 25 minus 4ac. 4 into 25 into minus 12 by 2a. 2 into 25. Now after simplification, alpha equals to minus 5 plus or minus, minus into minus plus, 25 minus is there na. After root simplification, under root b square minus 4ac value I am taken directly, that is 1225. 25 plus 48 into 25. 12 4 is 48 nana, minus into minus plus 25 plus 48 into 25. After simplification we are getting minus 5 plus or minus under root 1225 by 50. 25 2 is 50. Alpha equals to minus 5 plus or minus square root of 1225 is nothing but 30. 30 or 35? 30 or 35? 35 only na? Minus 5 plus or minus 35 by 50. Square root of 1225, that is equal to 35 whole square, nothing but 35 whole square, nothing but how much? 1225. That's why you take it under root 1225, replace 35. Alpha equals to minus 5 plus 35 by 50. Minus 5 minus 35 by 50. That equal to 30 by 50 minus 40 by 50. Alpha equal to 3 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5. Two values we got. Here what is the question? Sin 2 alpha equal to. Sin 2 alpha means what is formula? 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Sin 2 alpha equals to 2 sin alpha cos alpha. What is sin alpha? What is cos alpha? From given interval. What is given interval? 90 to 180. In 90 to 180 alpha lies between nothing but that is second quadrant. In second quadrant which ratio is negative? Which ratio is positive? Sin ratio is positive. Cos ratio is negative. That's why sin alpha equal to 3 by 4, 3 by 5, cos alpha equal to minus 4 by 5. Here sin alpha replace 3 by 5, cos alpha replace minus 4 by 5. Because here in second quadrant given interval, sin is positive, cos is negative. After that the total value is minus 24 by 25. Sin 2 alpha value how much? Answer minus 24 by 25. That is second option. That only. Next bit. Next bit. Next bit. Fifth one. Sin 2 theta plus sin 2 pi equals to 1 by 2. Cos 2 theta plus cos 2 pi equals to 3 by 2. Then cos square of theta minus pi equals to cos square of theta minus phi equals to cos square of theta minus pi equals to that first option 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. Sin 2 theta plus sin 2 pi equals to 1 by 2, cos 2 theta plus cos pi equal to 3 by 2. Sin 2 theta plus sin 2 pi equals to 1 by 2. This is equation 1. Assume that. Assume that cos 2 theta plus cos 2 pi equals to 3 by 2. This is equation 2. Assume that. After that, equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. Squaring and adding on both sides. After that, sin 2 theta plus sin 2 pi whole square plus cos 2 theta plus cos 2 pi whole square is equals to 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square. Now, here a plus b whole square formula, sin square 2 theta plus sin square 2 pi plus 2 sin 2 theta sin 2 pi plus cos square 2 theta plus cos square 2 pi plus 2 cos 2 theta cos 2 pi is equals to right side value how much? 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, that equals to 10 by 4. Okay. Here please simplify sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. How much? 1. Plus sin square 2 pi plus cos square 2 pi. 1. Plus 2 sin 2 theta 2 pi, 2 cos 2 theta 2 pi. What is common? 2 common. Cos 2 theta cos 2 pi plus sin 2 theta sin 2 pi. Sin 2 theta sin 2 pi is equals to 10 by 4. 10 by 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2. Here one formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula. Cos of A minus B. 2 theta minus 2 pi equal to 10 by 4. Here what is common? This total equation 2 common na? 2 common. 1 plus cos of 2 into theta minus pi. 2 common inner bracket also. 10 by 4. Here what is this formula? Direct formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta formula? 2 cos square theta. Apply here 2 cos square theta formula. 2 cos square theta formula. 1 plus cos 2 theta replace 2 cos square theta. That is 2 times of 2 cos square theta minus pi is equals to 10 by 4. This 2 goes to this side. Then 2 cos square theta. This 2 goes to right side. 2 first cancellation 5. Okay, no problem. This 2 goes to the second 2 goes to denominator. Cos square of theta minus pi is equals to 2 4 ja 8. 5 by 8. Cos square of theta minus pi equals to 5 by 8. Understood? Here only first of all 2 equations is given, squaring on both, squaring and adding on both sides. Squaring and adding on both sides. Here a plus b whole square formula. After that sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Here 2 common in these 2 parts. 2 common in these 2 parts. 2 common, then cos 2 theta cos 2 pi plus sin 2 theta sin 2 pi equals to 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, 10 by 4 you can take. After that 2 plus 2 cos of here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B formula cos of A minus B. Here also 2 common, here also 2 common. 2 of 1 plus cos 2 of theta minus pi equal to 10 by 4. It is like 1 plus cos 2 theta, that formula is 2 cos square theta. Like that apply here. 2 times of 2 cos square of theta minus pi equal to 10 by 4. After this in this 2 here 10 pi times. After that this 2 goes to denominator. Cos square theta minus pi equals to 5 by 8. This is third option. Okay. This is the different models of trigonometry. Okay. More problems I will explain in next session also. Okay. Complete I will explain total complete chapters for competitive exams purpose like EAMCET, IIT JEE and PITSET, like that. All models I will cover. Any doubt is there, please comment. I will give reply. Okay, please subscribe and share my videos. Okay, thank you students. Please listen. Any doubt is there, please comment on the box. I will explain all problems, all chapters. Okay, thank you.